This video is for educational purposes and is completely neutral. A video of a certain new combat vehicle has appeared on the internet. It looks quite futuristic and no less terrifying. At first glance, this is a missile launcher mounted on a tank chassis, and no one has ever seen such a beast before. But in fact, this is an outdated system that was popular back in the distant Soviet Union. This is the 6000 rocket launcher, Soviet jet naval bomb launcher on a stationary installation located in two planes with 12 radially located barrels, designed to destroy submarines, as well as attacking enemy torpedoes. Index launcher Tornado 2, caliber 230 millimeters, 12 barrels. Maximum range of fire 5,230 meters. The weight of the bomb launcher is 3.5 tons. The mass of the bomb is almost 114 kilograms, the flight speed of 300 meters per second. The depth of immersion of the bomb is 450 meters. Apparently, the bombs have been converted for land use. It's basically a short-range, unguided missile. Sure, it looks pretty cool, but it's probably got zero effectiveness. And the main problem is the very range of flight to approach the line of contact less than 5 kilometers is suicide. Reconnaissance drones will detect it immediately, perhaps even before the salvo. Naturally, FPV drones will immediately intercept it. Even if we imagine the improbable case that there are no FPV drones, artillery that hits at 70 kilometers would easily destroy this gun. I wonder who came up with this, and more importantly, for what purpose. The chassis of this unit is from a T-80. If you install a turret, then perhaps the tank would even be more useful, but it is not certain. But maybe you understand something? Write in the comments what it is. Thanks for watching. See you all again.